This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, May 27th. I'm James Spann. Same setup today. Moist air. We'll leave with some rain at times. Better chance will come this afternoon. Check things out this morning. A moist air mass in place all across the southern U.S. No really big dynamic forcing for rain. Little wave producing more action to the west. That's our radar early this morning at 5:05. Nothing but a few sprinkles down around Autauga County. Ooh, but look at this. This is where they don't need the rain. Big batch of storms approaching Houston again. But this will not produce the kind of rain they had a couple of nights ago, thank goodness. We have a pretty quiet morning. Some flash flood warnings in effect just north of Houston to start today and over parts of east Oklahoma. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. All of Alabama in a marginal risk. And, every day in the summer we have these pulse-type storms that, could produce maybe a brief wet microburst. But, organized severe weather like we have in the early spring and fall, that probably not going to happen again for a while. Standard slight risks well to the west, north, and northeast. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather west of the state. And on day 3, Friday, a marginal risk from Texas to the Great Lakes. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. Average amounts about 1 inch here, but as we get into the summer months here, understand these maps are not as useful and that rain distribution here tends to be rather uneven because of the scattered nature of the showers and storms. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06E run, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. Got a light southwest flow aloft, moist air in place. Showers and storms will likely pop later. This is the high-resolution HER model. Looks pretty wet later today. This is valid at 4 o'clock today. Clearly the better window for the rain today, this afternoon, early tonight. And that typically is the case from now into early September through the summer months. Really the same thing tomorrow. Some sun at times, a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Temperatures creeping up will be in the mid-80s, and that's going to be the formula for a while. This is Friday, and Saturday as the weekend begins. This is suggesting maybe the most organized showers and storms a bit north and west of the state, but still, every afternoon we're going to have these things around. And the problem we have, we can't give you an exact start and stop time or a placement for these things. They tend to be random and scattered. You just have to be aware of the possibility. This is Sunday. It's the same thing. Warm, muggy, partly sunny. The chance of a passing shower or storm, especially Sunday afternoon. And the same formula next week. We see no drying. That's Monday. This is Tuesday of next week. And a week from today, Wednesday, June 3rd. Heights a little below average down in the Gulf. The main westerlies are well to the north. And it's the same deal, a moist air mass, partly sunny, with a chance of an afternoon storm in scattered spots. Here's the end of the forecast, June 5th. This is the end of next week. Same thing, the westerlies are up north, got this upper ridge over the middle Atlantic coast. And down below that, warm, humid, a mix of sun and clouds, a few scattered showers and storms. And by the way, no sign of any early season tropical mischief as hurricane season begins Monday of next week. Temperatures high should be in the 80s, lows 65 to 70 for the next 15 days or so. This is valid through June 11th. And again, the above average temperatures over the western and eastern states, the middle of the nation, near or below average. And around here, I would say temperatures look pretty routine for early June as the new month begins next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.